Hello students, welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today I Taruna Saini is going to teach you exercise 13.1 question number 5 to 8. So you know that we are discussing chapter 13 surface areas and volumes. Surface area of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L, B, H are the edges of the cuboid. You know the shape of cuboid. L stands for length, B stands for breadth, and then H stands for height. And then we also studied the formula for a cube. So in a cube, the side, or you can say edge, are equal, and the surface area is 6a square. And then we have studied question 1, 2, 3, 4. So today we are going to discuss question number 5 to 8. So let us have a look on question number 5. A cubical box has edge 10 centimeter. There is a cubical box whose edge is 10 centimeter, and another cuboidal box. There is another cuboidal box whose dimensions are 12.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and height is, and also given height, that is 8 centimeter. So which box has the greater lateral surface area and by how much? So in the first case, what you have to find? You have to find out lateral surface area of cube, that is 4a square. Fine. You will put the value of a, fine, and you will get, fine. And also you will find the lateral surface area of cuboid. The lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. Then again you will put the values here, and then you will compare. The question is which box has greater lateral surface area. So after finding the lateral surface area, you will compare and will answer that whether cube or cuboid has lateral surface area and by how much, for you will find the difference. And in the second part of the same question, which box is smaller total surface area? So for the second part, what you have to do? For the second part, you have to find out the total surface area of cube, and then you will find out total surface area of cuboid. So for both the shapes, you will find the total surface area, and after finding the total surface area, you again compare which box is the smaller, and then by how much, for the how much, you will find the difference. Get it? So next is question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans, including base, held together with tape. Okay, there is a small indoor greenhouse. It is made up of glass pans. You know that there are 6 faces. So the length is given, breadth is given, and the height is given. All are in the same units, that is in centimeter. You have to find out the area of the glass. So you know very well that what is the total surface area of the cuboid. You know very well, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. After finding this, you have to find out how much tape is needed. So the required tape, how much tape is needed? Required tape is 4 into L plus B into H. So you will apply these two formula for solving question number 6. Firstly, you will apply total surface area for finding out the area of the glass required. Then you will put the values of LB and H. And for the second part, how much tape is needed? So for this, you will use 4 into L plus B plus H. Then question number 7. Shanti sweet stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of box are required. The bigger of the dimensions 25 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 5 centimeter. We require 2 sizes of box. One is smaller and one is bigger. One box is bigger, one is smaller. Fine. And dimensions are given, and for the overlaps we require 5% of the total surface area extra. So for their overlaps we require 5% extra, and we have to prepare 250 boxes. Okay, 250 boxes. and the cost is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeter square. So what is the task in this question number 7? Firstly, you will draw a bigger cuboid. You know the dimensions, that is 25, 20 and 5. You will find out total surface area of this cuboid. Then you will find out the overlap surface area. So it is 5% of above, 5% of total surface area. So total area of the bigger box. So what is the total area of bigger box? That is, add both these two. Whatever you find out in 1 and 2, you will add them. After adding, you will find out total surface area of 250. Okay, ये तो 1 का है. Then you will find out total area of 250. So whatever you get in this, you will multiply that by 250. And the same procedure you will follow the smaller box also. We will find out the total surface area of this smaller box. Then for the overlap 5%. Then you will add total surface area of one smaller plus overlap. Then you will multiply by 250. So by this manner you will find the total area of the cardboard required. After getting it, you will divide by 1000, multiply by 4. You can see here the solution. Firstly, you will find out the bigger box area. For the bigger box, length, breadth and heights are given. Total surface area you will find out, it is 1450. Then for the overlap you need 5% extra. So this is 72.5. And the total area of the cardboard needed for one bigger box you get, and for the 250 boxes you will multiply. So this we have done for the bigger box, and the same procedure we have to follow for the smaller box too. So for the smaller box, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL again, so 630. 5% for the overlap, that is 31.5. You will add, then 1.5. Then for the 250 it is 165375. Now this is for the bigger, this is for the smaller. Add them, divide by 1000, multiply by 4. You will get the cost of the cardboard sheet which you require to prepare the Shanti Sweet box. Then you have question number 8 in your NCERT book. Parveen want to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all the 4 sides at the top. So we are covering the 4 sides of the car and the top. So here you have the 5 faces. Assuming that stitching margin are very small and negligible, how much tarpaulin would be required to make a shelter? So you have length 4 meter, you have breadth 3 meter, and you have height, that is 2.5 meter. So you need to make a tarpaulin covering the car. So what is the required area? You will not use the 6 faces, you will use only the 5 faces. So LB floor you are not taking, then 2BH plus HL. So in this formula you will put the value of L, then B and then H. LB plus 2BH plus HL. So I hope that you get it and you are able to complete the exercise. Thank you so much. Take care.